Climb inside the 2011 Dodge Journey. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All of the premium features expected of a Dodge are offered, including delay-off headlights, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic temperature control, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, rear wipers, and a split folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. A Carfax history report indicates just 1 previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.